Om Namah Shivaya and welcome to Kali Sage, you guys. I hope you're doing well. Now, I am here to give you some beautiful guidance from the new moon that just happened on 18th January, and it was the first new moon of the year, so it is a little important than the rest of the new moons. Okay, so what we are looking into today is first the collective energy and then the energy for all your zodiac signs. Now, collective energy में ये मत बोलना मेरा नहीं है तो मैं नहीं देखूंगी या नहीं देखूंगा, because this is for everyone. Collective means for everyone. What is happening on the global front? Okay. I have set intentions कि collective zodiac signs जैसे हो वैसे messages मिले, मगर अगर किसी के लिए कोई specific message है तो that also we should get. So just pay attention and see if something specific is coming up for you guys and let me know if that happens. Alright, so let's get started with your reading. Collective में I'm feeling first channeled message that I'm getting is that a lot of true faces are going to be revealed. Either you have already figured out कि कौन है ये, but even like something is hidden, okay, and this is beyond your assumption, beyond your gut feeling for now, because ये कुछ तो है, like someone completely unexpected, something really like total shocker is going to happen for some people, where you'll see the true face or true color of something or someone. Okay, so collective में ये message है and it's, I don't know, कोई एक के लिए नहीं है, it's for many people. So yes, okay, what we have, 10 of Pentacles. I love this. Page of Wands, Queen of Swords. What did I tell you? See, Queen of Swords comes only when you have seen the truth of everything and now you know how to handle it. Queen of Swords, King of Swords, ये सबको आता है how to say no, how to cut cords, and how to be like, shut up, no BS, I'm not tolerating this anymore. So that kind of an energy. 5 of Pentacles, last card, 2 of Swords. Yes. 6 of Pentacles, bottom of the deck. So yes, on the financial front, things are great. On the spiritual front, or the way you see your friendships, the people around you, or even for some of you, the relationships, I think there's going to be a final end to something toxic. Okay, collective में I'm saying this, final end to something toxic, and it's helping you move forward. Okay, it's not going to be like कि वो चीज़ ख़त्म हो गई और फिर अगले ही दिन आपको सब क्लियर दिखाई देगा, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है. It's going to take time, but it will save your year. Entire 2026 टॉक्सिक लोगों के साथ या टॉक्सिक चीज़ों में बिताना, उससे अच्छा है थोड़े दिन ये झेल लेना, this process, and then just to say goodbye to it. Okay, because rest of the 2026 is so good for you. Bottom of the deck, 6 of Pentacles है, 10 of Pentacles, Page of Wands, Queen of Swords. Now Queen of Swords, I don't see it as a bad card, because Queen of Swords is such a boss bitch energy. Like Queen of Swords, no one can even dare to go against her or say anything negative to her. On her face तो नहीं बोल सकते, बिल्कुल भी नहीं बोल सकते. You cannot cross her at all. It's like Queen of Swords is goddess, okay, and you can't say no to her because you know that she is right. Cut to cut वो right है. So you cannot cross her, you can't say no to her, you can't even prove her wrong, because उसको रॉन्ग प्रूव करने जाओगे खुद ही रॉन्ग प्रूव हो जाओगे, उतनी राइट है वो. एंड दैट इज सच अ सैवेज एनर्जी. सो रेस्ट ऑफ द 2026 के लिए, इफ़ यू हैव सच अ ब्यूटिफुल एनर्जी, देन आई थिंक it's okay if the universe is removing certain toxic people or things from your life right now. ठीक है, थोड़ा झेल लो, is what I'm going to say. See, 2025 हम सब ने बहुत, we have been through so much, okay, and yeah, me personally, I will say that it's gaya ho gaya, but now where I am, I think it all makes sense why it happened, how it happened. Whatever I am, whoever I am, is because of those experiences, and not just 2025. Before that also many things have happened. All right, so it all shapes us into who we become in the now. So be grateful for those tough experiences, tough lessons also, because uske bina we wouldn't be so savage, है ना? So yeah. Okay, so rest of the energy is such that for the collective, I am seeing ki after this negative phase has ended, very loyal, very mature, committed people will come into your life. Material blessings तो होंगी, but spiritual blessings भी बहुत सारी होंगी. Tower phases, sudden upheavals, like difficult transformations, ये सब गया. Okay, now whatever is happening, it's all going to be एक ऐसा, मतलब कुछ होगा या कोई चीज़ ऐसी होगी, सिचुएशन या पर्सन ऐसा आएगा लाइफ में जिसके आने से या कुछ होने से सब चीज़ें अच्छी जो है वो मल्टीप्लाई होनी शुरू हो जाएगी, एंड वट एवर इज़ नेगेटिव विल रिड्यूस डाउन टू ज़ीरो, and it will just be gone from your life. You will not even remember, you will not even recognize that thing, you won't recognize with that situation, that person or your past self, okay, who was, you know, in that kind of a situation, will be like, okay, that's not me anymore. Okay, the past me was someone else. Right now who I am is such a blessing. Okay, so that's going to be the energy. Collective में ये सारी चीज़ें change हो रही हैं, and इसीलिए कुछ बचे कुछ tough changes है वो आ रहे हैं. So go through it, don't run away from it, don't try to change it or twist it, don't do anything. Just pray for your own healing, pray to God कि भाई जो भी है इससे अच्छे से निकाल दो. Okay? Now, Six of Pentacles is telling me कि you are going to be in a very good position in the future to share your blessings with others. Of course, don't let pride get in the way, but थोड़ा सा एक बाउंड्री बना के रखना, because the people who are you know not at your level, थोड़ा सा उनमें jealousy आएगा, and they will try to cross you or you know try to like say something sarcastically. तो थोड़ा सा अपना level बना के रखना so that they cannot cross that boundary. Alright, so that is the message. Now we look into all zodiac signs एक एक करके from Aries to Pisces. Collective message I've given. Now थोड़ा we'll see for all zodiac signs what's happening. Okay, New Moon Capricorn energy for all zodiac signs, Aries to Pisces. Now you can watch this according to your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or even North Node, however you prefer. But make sure that you know like apply the guidance in your life, because this is a very high vibrational energy. Okay, Aries to Pisces, New Moon energy. My cards are in a very good mood today. So जो भी guidance आएगी ना, it's going to be kick-ass. Okay, Aries. Oh, Six of Cups. So Aries, for you, what blessings are unfolding in the next 15 days is that you are not only healing your past, but your present and your future all together. Some alignment is happening where you're making the right decisions, doing the right things, right people are coming into your life, and it's healing that pattern. If there was an ancestral wound, or if the women in your family have been unhappy since a very long period of time, or even generations, something is going to happen now जिससे वो चीज़ ख़त्म होगी. So very good blessings for you guys, Aries. Also white color अपने आसपास रखना, बहुत सारी purity, बहुत blessings आएंगी. Okay, Taurus, we have Ace of Cups for you guys. I'm so happy for Taurus, okay, because Ace of Cups is such a beautiful energy that you're getting right now. पूरा emotional cleansing. Some will say that they don't resonate with this energy, but I'll tell you why. Because you feel that right now your cup is empty. Your cup is going to be filled very soon, and it will be filled in such a way that it will overflow. Okay, lot of overflow of love, happiness, abundance, positive blessings, emotional healing, good things. And when this is about to happen or it is in the process, what will you see around you? The signs that you'll notice is that animals and birds will be very attracted towards you and as positive omens. ऐसे नहीं कि कौवा आके काका करके गया. You will see a sparrow coming towards you, like in a very chirpy mood, and maybe like a dove, a dog being happy around you. So these kind of signs you will get. Or maybe you touch an animal or a bird and they feel happy, they feel your energy, or they feel what's coming for you guys, and they'll be happy. So इस तरह से समझ जाना कि something good is happening. जो भी हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है. Okay. And also that I think a lot of you guys are going to understand your emotional patterns in a very different way from now onwards. Okay. So yeah, Gemini. Death. Now what is happening for you, Gemini, is that I'm still getting positive vibes because something is transforming. This year is going to make you shine. Okay. हार्ड वर्क थोड़ा बाकियों से कंपेयर करोगे तो ज़्यादा होगा आपका. ओके, बट दिस इज़ नॉट द नेक्स्ट 15 days का एनर्जी, दिस इज़ द एंटायर ईयर का एनर्जी. Okay, so I will say that this is something that you wished for is going to happen, और इसका process थोड़ा सा challenging हो सकता है. Not tough or not something where you know like end up in tears every now and then कि भगवान कब खत्म होगा कब, नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा. But just that you're pushing yourself towards something good despite the challenges, despite the blockages. So yes, good things are happening. Also that कुछ चीज़ें जो आपके आसपास हो रही है, stop complaining about it because those were inevitable things. Okay, whatever you are going through or went through, I am so sorry for that. Big hugs to you and lots of healing to you, but it was inevitable and it happened. But now what you can do is just heal from it and transform yourself. Okay, Gemini, so that was your message. I know थोड़ा tough था, but आगे का टाइम आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Okay, now Cancerians. I love this card for you guys. 10 of Cups. This is like a family blessing. Not just you, but your entire family is being blessed. Your loved ones are being blessed. You are okay. For some of you, I'm also getting the energy of family planning. Whether you're single, married, or जो भी आपका relationship status है, I don't know, but this is like you're planning for a family, या आपकी family कुछ plan कर रही है आपके लिए या expect कर रही है कुछ आपसे. And I'm seeing togetherness. Some kind of blessing is coming for you guys where everyone is happy. And you're like, yes, यही तो चाहिए था. This is what I wanted. Like for myself to be happy and everyone around me to be happy. So that is happening for you. Also, some property related issue is going to be solved. One important thing that I want you guys to follow is that make sure that you're drinking clean water. I'm not saying कि आप मतलब गंदा पानी जानबूझ के पी रहे हो, नहीं. But add alum to your water, थोड़ा सा purify करके पीना पानी, because I don't know, I'm getting that message for you guys now. Or maybe energize your water, that could be something for you. But yes, purifying the water, healing the water is coming for you guys. Okay, so Cancerians, yes, that was your message. Lovely message. Okay, now moving on to Leo. Fire energy for my fiery Leos. So Leo, what is happening is that the blessing is unfolding on a very huge, vast level for you. Your vision about your future is expanding. कोई बोलता है ना कि look at the bigger picture, look at the bigger picture. You will now be able to do that because the bigger picture is closer to manifest. Okay, that is your lucky blessing. alright, and you are in a position कि आपके पास किसी टाइप की लग्जरी है. Okay, just think about it. This is not a luxury that's only material, but हो सकता है कि टाइम की लग्जरी हो या कोई और चीज़ की लग्जरी जो फ़िलहाल बाकी लोगों के पास नहीं है. एंड लाइक अच्छा इतना टाइम या ऐसी कोई चीज़ हमारे पास होती तो हम ऐसा करते या हम इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा करते. whatever it is, you have some sort of luxury and this luxury is very beautiful. Make the best of it. I don't know क्या है ये, but yes, it's beautiful for you. I'm seeing a lot of travel for you guys. Maybe आप कहीं अपने country से बाहर travel करोगे. You will travel to some place जहाँ पे आपको कुछ सोल पर्पस मिलता है आपका. Okay, and also that you're planning a lot of things. You're planning your year, vision boards बना रहे हो, you're planning travels, many things are happening and you're doing the right thing. So don't worry. जो भी आप सोच रहे हो अच्छा है, जो भी आपके अच्छे अच्छे goals है वो सारे manifest होंगे. Okay, so Leo, that was the energy for you. Virgo, 8 of Pentacles. Now when I looked at this card right now, what I literally felt is that triple 8 blessings. Okay, financial blessings, blessings of having enough not only to share with others but also to save and spend. Okay, that kind of a wealthy blessing. And also you're getting work, lot of work. Whatever helps you earn, that work is coming towards you in abundance. Lot of work, lot of focus will be needed for this. Maybe you will have to stay awake for longer hours at night also, but yes, this is going to earn you profits, so congratulations for that. It is going to be worth it. Okay, and I think that you're going to miss home. Some of you guys will miss home. Okay, now Libra, end of a tough cycle. Many tough things are ending. If you were in a situation that constantly kept you exhausted, that is ending. Toxic relationships are ending. Toxic people are leaving your life, and habits also are ending. If anything was a tough life experience till now, understand that it has ended. It won't repeat itself, so don't live in the fear of it. Okay, Libra, what I want you to understand is that you need some kind of healing, something related to your anxiety or insomnia. I feel that you need to heal it. The root cause of it is very different than what you are anticipating right now. Okay, so yeah, that is the message for you guys. Now moving on to Scorpio. Lovely Scorpio, you have the 3 of Cups. So 3 of Cups for Scorpio, this tells me that you guys will celebrate the next 15 days in such a way as if this is a celebration of a lifetime. Your loved ones, your friends, you're going to be in a very happy zone. Good invitations will come to you, or there will be events where you will get to celebrate with people. Also, there is some good news coming in your life. Someone is coming in your life who is going to bring some good news, and you're going to be very happy about it. Be it old or new, the people around you are going to be like-minded and they're going to support you. So this is also a very good blessing. Now, looking at Sagittarius, I love this card, a Fool, the Fool. The Fool is about new beginnings, new possibilities, and complete change, complete newness for you. This is like a new beginning where you have the experience, but you're also like, I'm excited for what comes next. I'm excited for the new things. Alright, so that new is coming for you, Sagittarius, and it's going to be a very positive, blissful and harmonious change. No ups and downs, only good things, stable blessings and loyal people. Alright, purity. I'm seeing